Get great deals on dual-action orbital buffers and polishers, and upgrade your power tools for your home workshop. There are numerous items accessible to Orbit Polishers. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best Orbit polishers from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Black Plus Decker 6-inch Random Orbit Waxer Polisher. Snug to deal with design of the variable pace polisher reduces fatigue. 10 Ford. Twine for nice mobility. Runs on random orbit at 4,400 orbits per minute for a swirl-free end. Random orbit motion assures a uniform and quick for the automotive polisher. 10-foot twine accommodates automotive and boat sprucing tasks. Contains foam applicator for simply making use of waxer polish. Measures 13.8 by 6.2 by 8.6 inches, weighs 5.3 pounds. Features a snug two-handle design. Contains Black & Decker's 6-inch Random Orbit Waxer Polisher, 1 foam applicator bonnet, 2 sprucing bonnets. Number 2. SPTA Buffer Polisher. 6 Variable Passac Modified Pace from 2000 to 5500 OPM. Present extra decisions for sprucing and waxing, make higher detailing work. The prolonged consolation entrance steel with grip tailor-made physique size. The velocity management dial is positioned in the midst of the physique, proper above the consumer's thumb, make operation rather more simpler. Lets you take away defects or apply automotive wax without harming the paint floor. Present extra contact areas between sprucing pad and paint, lowering the waste of sprucing paste. 1PC 3-inch 10mm twin-cation polisher, 3PCS 3INCH and 4-inch sprucing pads, 1PC 3INCH and 4-inch wool pads, 2 bottles. Automotive scratch remover, 1PC synthetic cleansing glove, 2PCS microfiber towel, 1PC 4-inch backing pad, 1PC pad conditioning brush, 12PCS 3INCH and 4-inch sanding discs, 1PC software apron, 1PC software bag, 1PC deal whip, and our greatest service. SPTA Mini Twin Motion Polisher is the most secure, best approach to get good paint. It's the centerpiece of an entire automotive care system that's straightforward for inexperienced persons to grasp, but nonetheless supplies professional level sprucing and waxing. Number 3. Bosch ROS 20 VSC Palm Sander. Pad dampening system designed to remove swirl marks on each flat and contoured surfaces. By Bosch's signature hook and loop disc attachment system, sanding pads follow the hand sander, performing like a Velcro adhesion materials. Highly effective 2.5 amp motor permits velocity to workpiece and job matching with ease. No load OPM. 7,500 to 12,000. Contains sanding pad, sanding disc, dampening ring, mud canister, vacuum adapter and carrying bag. Includes a microfilter system for wonderful mud and trapping particles as small as a half micron in diameter. Sturdy and compact, the mud canister exhibits mud stage and simply detaches for mess-free duties. Number 4. Makita XOP02Z18VLXT. Cordless resolution for quite a lot of sprucing functions. The place mobility is necessary. Twin energy mode. Excessive energy delivers corded energy for correcting, and low energy delivers prolonged run time for sprucing functions. Battery operated twin motion polisher affords selectable random orbit with compelled rotation or free spin rotation. Cordless design eliminates the effort of twine administration and unintentional marring of delicate surfaces. Excessive capability BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the motor to run cooler and extra effectively for longer life. Variable 0 to 780 RPM and 0 to 6800 OPM. Number 5. Unicro Polisher. Powerful 1200W motor produces up to 3500 RPM with low noise, powerful enough for a professional. Heat-resistant copper wire motor allows long working time without burning the machine. The high. Only 5.5 pounds, lightweight, compact and portable design, make it easy for carrying and storage. 6-level variable speed dial allows users to control speed from 1500 to 3500 RPM according to various tasks or materials, and improve work efficiency. Comes with sandpapers, fine and rough sponge wheels for waxing, wool polishing disc. You can use different sponge wheel to finish different application. This rotary polisher is ideal for polishing and removing swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles. You can also use it on furniture, ceramic, wood and metal. The Unicro Polisher comes with 2 detachable handles, D handle and side handle. You can choose the way that you feel comfortable. Meanwhile, with the safe switch lock design, you can maintain a speed by press the button safely and conveniently.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.